Hello, good morning. This is day 6 of the build. We have lots of work to do, and today what's left is the fabrication work. Actually, all the fabrication work should be done today itself, or else we'll be behind schedule. And the paint work is left, which we only have 2 days to get it done. I'm having trouble with my eyes actually because of fabrication. Had so much fabrication work on Saturday and my eyes are burning. My body is aching. I know my teammates are tired, but let's see what's going to happen throughout the day. I'm going to take you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll take you around and I'll show you some of the works I've done. Building bikes is not a small thing. It's really difficult, and if you think doing custom bike it's easy, then it's very wrong. This is the one that we did the paint job. This belongs to customers, of course. We'll be delivering this by tomorrow evening. And it's a lot of work. We have to complete the customer's work, and side by side we have to do the bits. So we only have few days left, and building a bike, it's no joke, people. Building a bike, it's, my goodness, there's so much into it that it's tough. So there are a few things left. This one, the paint job. We're waiting for the paint job for this one, the Platina, and the concept bike. This I have cut all the chassis and everything. I have made the bend pipe to align with the tires, and so this is it for today. We'll start doing this one. Okay, I'll see you around. My eyes are really burning, like. Okay. Namantan nasyutib one of our main crews, he's not coming today. Downtown Shillong, but he's got some problems and he'll not be here today. Let's just call him and see. So that is root. So just two of us today. It's gonna be heavy. The workload's gonna be heavy, man. Guys, gandang kalar biji, I guess. Sabun buwan, ada tamarway. Slap bubam. Look at the rain outside. Oh my goodness. Sarong kami tanam lang. Kamulding kamir kan nir kamde. Look at that. Oh boy. No. No, help me. Nalipas kalat. Kalat nalip. Don't you slap? I think we gotta plan something, yeah. Let's do some sketching and stuff. We just plan something for the event. Then that'll be much more better. Mau.
Kenduk beriau dia ni no. Saya mesti gila ini mesti dah. Ini biji ni mesti nak ni. Oh, kenduk beriau ni.
Madu kerar biji, adu lai biji, lip kelait kita dapat mek. You know what to do, man. Kita pernah benda. Kani nah benda. Rong rumio sian, building rumio building. Ayah. To do, man. What to do? Please tell me what to do. Tell me what to do, Bapria. Hello. Oi, Miran. Kalau live light belai?
Đang kalem pol sa
Si siapa ni mau yang? Weh, push light. Ah, wah, nu sempur kan tu? Oh, wah. Dah sempur ni kan? Oh. The light is me. Oh yeah. Takan, let's do this.
Liau tu mah. Mana terus tu mah. Biang mah. Terus ni apa? Nak jam bang bang.
No light. Oh boy, there's no light. Ini telah kot. Tangka yur kam kitsu. Welding machine. Kam kitsu. Kam paso ikairu. Let me try the welding machine. Welding machine doesn't. Try saka Shillong. Turut hot. What do we do? Lakut ke sengi. Prosesnya ialah cikalat tangkalat juga pentot.
nè. Mẹ nè, mẹ trai nó tôi mai bay nong này nè. Anh nó mẹ bay nong nè. Biang có mẹ mà trai ấy. Cũng nè bao cái cây cái trai ấy cho mẹ. Cái gì kata ki? Mẹ nó cũng nó tao mẹ. Belai cũng nè, belai. Cũng nó không đi nè. Nó trai nè, nó trai ta em tao bisa pas teman nè. Lebih image tu. Bắt này. Không cần văng nè. Vậy. Shot là shot. Ê, đi chơi đi. Có ai nè. Được rồi. Lagi jaga.
Oh, kini lại đập sna đây.
You know.
Kini. Siapa nak play? Oh, kebiang nak. Kebiang, kuni kan dia benda nak.
Upstairs. Hello. Oi,
Besar jangi dan inspect. Besar
Arit.
dan inspect.
Oi,
Con đi mẹ mình
Kan ibang har me phale ang
Thế
ngote.
con mình
kamu tadi jom sedih.
Ko to ba modify tam na.
Mẹ mẹ.
Meron ngi nga le no bente.
Kamu kena apa?
Kung ko to mo sundur nga tam na.
Oh, ketum tan nanti.
Oh me. No mo ungai ba.
Mẹ lo lệ sedih tu tengah lệ nó là kau
Tao
isi.
tao son bên nhà chơi chơi
Ay so ong na.
Macam rak kai
Hah?
balik sedih.
Jibang dale.
Hả mẹ? Tao cứ chim một lấy đất mít đó.
Kira. Kana to tala.
Banyak
lah yang tu.
Son ngata.
Nya kain tu.
Deh.
Ingat si benar dia. Mah,
Tao
tay
son
xí là
ngata
kìa.
chơi.
lawan bu kebat jom sini pak senangan.
Ketua baik pak. Oh, ada ketua balak silak om. Ba modify. Pi ketua infield pak ba modify.
Eh, itu dia kita pak tit ni meh lah.
Kita dulu.
Oh, mau
Dah.
tahu klep.
Sebetulnya ya plan.
Mau klep ah.
Datang kai video si
Beet, penekam lah meh pakai jenis mau.
Ni la wis tu le ba mo.
ibu ka.
Drive tu
Ini last man ni dia. Tong ni. Ini last man.
Kan me bala ni pa di wei, mo bala nang
Dah. Kau main style dah kau.
Pe ni la le. Ba penduk ai putin mah.
Tak lihat lah.
Lihat le mari su ni kit la dan le tu. Ala pun kam.
Pepe alignment tu ka tayar kalau tiang ni.
Bet ni tu, meh.
Ba email na.
Nak ni, kan begitu. Waktu cepat advance ni ni semua. Tu.
Penyentuh nak mat yang no string pe tu biang ni.
Anu dah Iwan.
Biang.
Biang, kalau biang.
Kenam?
Kena.
Merem dan porsu penwal setang minta sini.
Aku lah biang tu. Kamar biang tu.
Kenam kami kerang matayar.
Ram, kau kena lah biang tu sesuatu. Mempak lek anu lek ane meh. Kau tahu mempak lek mana lek?
Ini macam ni. Oh, bom. Boleh ada deh. Cái món thiệt kia. Cái đó này à.
Biang lah.
Biang. Oh. Woi,
Ai rong no ne.
Ringan cheese deh.
util lah. Util nadu menu dan
Tu
teh.
peleng ini dah.
Pelengkieng.
Jangan no.
Ya.
Tanya.
Hey, terima.
Dah. Dah, thanks. Oh, really lah penyo alignment ni tiada bet pula.
Yang manager pat.
Oh, belajar jeli tiada wai.
Messi ada makan apa? Terek. Aku tutup. Mana bro? Baru. Lependek.
Meh tu kita di bangala ai.
Mana ni? Mana curah betul betul seneng top na. Pendek lah.
Meh ni orang belah meh lah. Yang nak pendek.
So progress nota sini kini ka bike RX ladap. Nota de kini sini. Kini roll ladap bun ke. Seal ladap ti kelam ladap. Fabrication kumbamut ti kampat long. Yang dan masak bun balip sekalat nta sengi berisi. Ti kini ladap siat. Masak steki chassis kui dah. Nota selesai ke sini tang bun. Sini sa ti tang dulu sa di bandap lu borak hat.
D6 lah good. Benar.